is a new concept of the 4-axis aircraft. It is equipped with 6 super features so that flight is more secure and more interesting. The new design concept allows you to simply take out your pockets and open the flying wing. X20 is equipped with App-RC. You can manipulate the X20 by simply downloading the app from the App Store. Stable body so that it has a high hover function. Real-time picture, video camera, and adjustable lens. You only need to complete the operation in the palm. The new design of the track fly function makes your flight experience more interesting. Setting lights on the fuselage so that the aircraft more secure, more cool. Artificial intelligence voice remote control. The liberation of your hands. X20 forward. X20 backward. X20 to the left. X20 to the right.
In my car outside your house. Why?
Gravity sensing remote control design for you to create a variety of control experience. Easy to carry in the pocket elf.